How's it going? Back here in Puzzlewood, one of my favourite places for photography. Obviously the last time I was here I was looking for mushrooms and slime moulds, that kind of thing, but it's now spring, it's very dry and sunny, I won't be finding any of those. So instead, I'm thinking mostly insects, but also try a bit of photography of ferns and flowers and anything else, just see how today goes. So I think I'm going to start right here. There's a few nice ferns and flowers behind me. I'm going to see if I can get a nice photo of any of those. I'm not sure how it will go, but it's worth a try. I'm just going to carefully look under a couple of these loose rocks here, see if I can find anything hiding. A couple of wood lice. Yeah, just a couple more wood lice. Nothing I want to photograph today. I've come out into this opening here. I noticed this one fern kind of standing tall with the rest of the scene. I thought I'd have a quick go with the camera that I'm filming on now with this wide lens, see if I can get a nice landscape photo of it. I found this fern here with quite a few sort of newly developing fronds on it. So I've took a few close-up photos with the flash, and now I've just set up my tripod here. I'm using the key light from the flash to light it up a bit, but the actual flash is turned off. So it's a much more naturally lit shot to get that green in the background as well. Looks like it should turn out quite nice. Still, next to those ferns, I've noticed this little snail down here. I've just tried a couple of different shots, top down and lower, sort of head on, see if any of them turn out alright. And now I might also try and photograph this nice flower here. See if I can get a nice shot of that. I'm going to try a couple handheld shots with the flash first. See how that turns out. Move a little further back. I've just got finished. I've looked to my left and seen another species of snail there. It's in a perfect spot for a couple of shots, so I'll see what I can do. I think it should turn out quite nice. I've been carefully looking under some bits of bark and logs in this leafy area here. I've came across this little pill millipede in there. I've already got a couple of shots that I'm pretty happy with. I wanted to get the photos quick so I don't disturb it for too long. And now of course I'll put this piece of wood back exactly how I found it. Certainly wasn't expecting to find any mushrooms today, but looking under a few more bits of wood I've come across these. They're a bit dried up, not in the best condition, but I'll still get a shot of them. Now I've just got that stick with the mushrooms perched on this log here. I'm going to try one shot with the flash first, just to see how it turns out. Now I might actually try a portrait shot as well with the flash. It's not going to work, unfortunately. Now I'm going to try the same shot without the flash. So it's not the best example of a good mushroom to photograph, but Still turn out alright. I'll put them back where I found them. Turning over a few more branches and logs. We've got another pill millipede down here. There's also a nice little beetle here, just see there, next to my finger. Try to snap a few photos of both of these. Now I've just repositioned this log so I can try to get a head-on shot of this little beetle, and then I'll put it back once I've taken this so it's not been disturbed for too long. I'll put this back how I found it. Careful not to disturb anything too much. Turning over a few rocks in this little shady area here. Just turn this one over and a nice flat back millipede down there. I don't know how well you can see it. I've already taken the shot of it, so I wanted to take the photo before it sort of woke up and started moving. It has now just crawled under a few stones, so glad I did that. Let me just gently return this rock to how I found it and keep looking. I've had another unexpected find. A load of this Lachnum fungus on the underside of this piece of wood that I've just turned over. I found this landscape composition that I'm quite happy with, so I'm going to get that taken. Just go natural light. I'm not really a fan of flash for these subjects. And I might put the 2x teleconverter on, try and get a really close-up detailed shot of a few individual fruiting bodies. See, I've put the 2x teleconverter on now. Found this composition of the same trio from before. I've already taken the photo of sight for a few minutes while it was taking. As you can see, I'm at 1 second exposure because it's so dark here. But I'm quite pleased with how it's turned out, so I'll get this log put back where I found it. I'm approaching the end of my walk here today. I've just found a couple more mushrooms. This large one, it's not really going to make for a very nice photo, so I won't bother with it. But in here, there's a much more photogenic example. I'm not going to use a flash for this, even though it is in a very dark area. I think the finished photo will look a lot better with natural light. So now I just need to carefully manoeuvre the camera till I get it into a place I'm happy with. And then I might put the 30mm lens on, because unfortunately I'm struggling to get far enough back with this lens. And so I've got the 30mm lens on now, and have another try, see if I can get anything a bit better. This does look like it should turn out to be a better shot. I'm not sure how well this will work, but I'm trying to add just a little bit of diffused light to brighten up the scene.